This is a quick update on our tracking app. And what we firstly want to notice is the new integrations panel. So if we're on the home page on your project in Deep Space Explorer and you scroll down, you'll eventually see the integrations panel. And the key thing to look at is the Sync Now column, because it allows us to on-demand sync with various platforms. In this case, we're looking at our factory fabrication sync. If we were to click this button, it'll send an instruction to Deep Space, which will then go away and sync up with the factory API and call all that data into the Deep Space environment. Let's now have a look at our Track app, which has been deployed, as we can see here in the menu. So let's click on Track, and let's click Track Overview. So the key things here to keep in mind is that we're bringing together data from the model elements as well as tracking information that's acquired through an API with the factory. So we've just put a simple visual here at the moment where we can see by level. This is actually weight values that are coming from the model elements. We can do things like filter by statuses in here if we're only interested in certain statuses, and we can see where they're at. If we want to, we can dig into kind of additional detail. There's a hidden button at the bottom right here, which brings us to our navigation page. We can look at things like the API status, which was a page we prepared earlier to confirm and validate that we were getting tracked data that matched, what was going on in the model. So essentially, the tracking app here, we can develop some further visuals on it, but it is deployed. And as we looked at the beginning, the ability for us to sync on demand is also deployed. With some refinements, the Track app will become very, very valuable for projects who want to link up their model element information with live tracking data coming from various sources, including factories and fabrication companies.